Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today this video I will teach you how you can create and verify your UAE Pass account from your mobile. You no need to go any office, any other typing center, or any other place. You use your mobile and you can make your UAE Pass account and you can verify it within 2 minutes. I will teach you step by step how you can do it this from your mobile. Before start this video, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You get more videos about this topic. So let's start this video. First of all, you need to download UAE Pass mobile application. You go your Play Store and write here UAE Pass. Okay, you just write to this one and you download this application, UAE Pass mobile application. You just need to click open. When you open it, here showing two options, one English and other one Arabic. You need to select your language. You need just click here English. Then you see like this page. Okay, then you need to click here continue. Then you come to this screen. Okay, here is two options, one creating a new account and second one I have a existing account. You need to create new one. Okay, you just right click here create new account. Then you come to this page. Here they will showing you need what you need to verify your UAE Pass account. Okay, first of all they saying you need to scan your Emirates ID and you need to verify your details and secure your account. If you have Emirates ID, okay, Emirates ID valid Emirates ID you need. If your Emirates ID is expire, you cannot make your UAE Pass account. Okay, you need to verify your Emirates ID and you need to your details like mobile number, email, and you need to scan your face. Okay, these things you if you have, you can make your UAE Pass account. So you just come this page and you need to click this one, and then here coming is terms and condition. You just I have read the terms and condition. Click on this one and click accept and you come this page. Okay, here is two options, one citizen or residence and second one visitor. If you are GCC citizen, you can click second one and you can verify your from your passport. Okay, and if you are UAE work visa or UAE other visa, okay, you have Emirates ID, you just need to click here citizen or residence. Click this one and you come this page. Okay, here they will show you need to scan your Emirates ID. You just click this one scan now and you need to scan your Emirates ID back side. When you scan Emirates ID, your Emirates ID all detail will become here. Okay, you just check it's okay, it's correct. Okay, then you click here confirm. When you click confirm, you come this page. Here will showing asking you mobile number and email. You just need to write your mobile number, email and click continue. When you click continue, they send you one time OTP password from your mobile number. You write that OTP password is here. When you write OTP password, then they send you one OTP password there your email. You need to write your email password is here. When you verify your email, then you come this page. Okay, here will be ask you create a one pin you need to keep in your mind. Don't be forget this one pin. Whenever you open your UAE Pass application, you need to this pin. Okay, if you forget this pin, this is problem for you. So you keep in your mind, you write somewhere for your record. Okay, then you write here pin, 4-digit pin. You can select this one, 2 times you need to write here pin. When you write your pin, your basic account has been registered, but you need to verify it. Okay, you just come like this page. Here our basic account has been created. Okay, we need to verify it. You have to click this one verify now and then you come this page. Okay, they will ask you need to scan your face. Okay, you just click continue and they ask you some permission for mobile device. Okay, you need to click allow and you need to scan your face. When you scan your face, okay, you see here coming red lines. Okay, this line should be green. Okay, you need to zoom in zoom out. When line is green, your face will be detected. Okay, if you keep for this line is red, your face verification is they not accept. Okay, you need to write this siding lines should be green. Okay, when you zoom out zoom in like this line will be green. You hold for 1 second 2 seconds, then your face verified. When your face verified coming like this, congratulations, you have successfully passed the face verification and your account is now verified. You just need to set one time password. Okay, you need to here set my signing password. Click here. When you click here, you need to write here your password. This two page, this password is should be 6 characters and one upper letter, one low letter, a number and one alphabet characters. Okay, I will give you demo in screen like this password you can write here, then they will accept. Okay, here to this one you need to write password and click send. When you set up your password, your UAE Pass is done. Your UAE Pass is coming like this verified account. Okay, see here coming like this: verified account. If your account not verified, you need to scan your face and your account should become here account verified. Then you can use it for more purpose from government sectors and for government application login. All government application you can login from your UAE pass. Like this you can make your UAE pass account. I hope you like this video. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. We need to complete 1000 subscribers to this channel and grow this channel for more interesting videos. So please subscribe my channel, don't be forget. Thank you.